Okay, enough boring talk. Let's actually start building this. If you don't see this right-hand column, you can press this rightmost icon here to bring up the inspector in library. This top part is called the inspector, and the bottom part is called the library. Now let's create some view objects. We knew that we're going to need some sort of input field. And if we look through here, if you click on each one of these controls, it will tell you more about what it does. A text field displays a rounded rectangle that can contain editable text. That sounds exactly what we need. So we could just drag this and drop it on our app. We'll just put it right here on the center here. Make it a little bit bigger. A text field without any explanation can be kind of confusing to people, so why don't we add a label? We'll put this right up here. Now if we come up to our inspector and click on this icon here, you can actually change the text, enter in your price. Now as you can see, if I select between these two objects, the label object and the text field, my options change over here. For example, I could put placeholder text like 0.00, or I could simply double click on it and change the text. This is where the price goes. Now that's a silly thing to say, so why don't we just change this back to enter the total for now. So now this is starting to look like a real app. We have a label, a place to enter things, and finally we need some sort of button so we can come down here and see, oh, here's a button right here. And you can see you could change the text here, or I could double click and just type in what I wanted to say. Calculate the tip. This is starting to look like a real application, and we haven't even written any code yet.